In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete email account from Outlook 365. By the end, you'll confidently remove an email account from the Outlook desktop app without affecting the actual mailbox on the server. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once it's open, look to the very top left corner and click the File tab. This takes you to the Backstage view where Outlook keeps all the account and settings options. On the Account Information screen, find the Account Settings button. It has a small arrow next to it, indicating there are more choices. Click it, then choose Account Settings from the drop-down to open the window that lists your accounts. In the Account Settings window, make sure you are on the Email tab. This is where Outlook shows every email account currently connected to this profile. Take a moment to carefully select the account you want to remove. If you have multiple accounts that look similar, check the email address column and the account type so you are certain you've highlighted the right one. Removing the wrong account can disrupt your day, so it's worth a quick double check. With the correct account selected, click the Remove button located above the list. Outlook will prompt you to confirm. This confirmation is important because removing the account deletes the cached offline content stored on this computer. Think of that cache as a local, temporary copy of your mailbox emails, calendar items, and contacts that Outlook keeps to work quickly and offline. Saying yes here removes only those local copies associated with this account on this device. It does not delete the actual mailbox from the email server, and it will not remove the account from other devices where it's set up. Before you confirm, consider whether you have any data that exists only on this computer, such as local folders or personal archives. If you do, make sure they're safely stored or backed up in a location you control. If you are using a work or school computer, it's also a good idea to ensure you have the proper permissions and that this change won't impact any shared resources. Click Yes to confirm. Outlook will process the change and remove the account from your profile. When it's done, you'll return to the Account Settings window, and the account will no longer appear in the list. Your Outlook will be cleaner, and any folders, inboxes, and calendars tied to that account will no longer show up in the app. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.